Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here in the tagmanager.google.com, in your main account, you're going to see the overview. Simply go to the tag section on the left, and then from here it's going to show you that there are no tags left. So click on the new, and then from here you're going to choose a tag to begin with. Now from here, as you can see, you have all the options, but first of all, before you go to Google Ads, you're going to start with the conversion linker. So for the conversion linker, go ahead and click enable LinkedIn, and then from here, you're going to click on the save button. Now from here, you're going to add trigger, and so now you will have it installed, and now you have your conversion linker installed. Now from here, click new again, click on tag configuration, and then from here, go to Google Ads. Now for Google Ads, once whatever you do you want to select. So for example, this one, Google Ads Conversion Tracker. So we're going to click on it. And now it's going to ask for these credentials and details. The conversion ID, the conversion label, the value, transaction ID, and currency code. Now to get the two main ones that you need to start this, all you have to do is to go to Google Ads. And once you log in from here to your main account, right here in the main page, all you have to do is to hover over the goals section, go to conversions, and then click on summary. Once you do that in the summary, it's going to show you this page right here, where it's going to show you all the conversions that you have already, or you can create a brand new conversion. Now, once you decide on whichever tag you would like, so for example, this one is going to showcase this page where you're going to see tag setup on the bottom. Click on it. And as you can see, one of the options is going to be use Google Tag Manager. Once you click on it right here, it's going to provide us with the details that we want, the conversion ID and the conversion label. So all you have to do is to copy the first one, go back and paste it right here. And same for the next one, you're going to copy it and go back and save it right there. Now, in case you put the conversion below value 0 or below by itself, then Google is going to automatically set it to 0. So after that, once it's done, click on fill all the information you would like, and of course, read all the details that the offer is going to give you for that. And from here, click on save. And now we're going to add the trigger. And so from here, add whatever trigger you would like. And now it's going to save it fully. And now that you have it, it's going to be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.